funny. So we're at today's date, the 25th. So I do got a motor here, so I'll go ahead and replace it. So what I ended up doing is marking the shaft, how high I want it. So I just put a black marker right there. Then my wires right here are the inside where nobody will see. I put like some squiggly lines where I know to line up the wire from the new one here. So that's why I put the squiggly lines there. Yes, sir. I got the fan in and running or installed. There goes the old one. Just clean up all these spider webs here. It's a busy day today. But it's a good busy. Helping out families. Family right here got a little baby. So we'll give them the AC. It'll be good. Great blessing for them. Obviously I'll make some money on the side and do my thing here and keep it moving, keep it pushing. So this is my third call. I think I have another one set up for tomorrow, so if I can get some videos of that, I'll do the videos. But try to get just my shop bag, nothing too special. It does the job. Got the bag, Vito, SG, Great Brother, Rays, 304, Reliable, Install Earth, Pioneer, HVAC, Outlaw HVAC, the women in Canada. Appreciate you, everybody. Just go in here and get her done and go home. Alright, thank you. Here, water in the pan. Voltage area, so I'm just gonna blow it out. Put a drain pan, strip it here, cut it here, and put a pipe for the union. Got my bag over here. What I mean by union is this thing right here. One of these. Put it here, so if it ever happens again, I can just tend to it better. Pitch.